Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Everything you are about to witness is for educational purposes only, and all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content, and as always, enjoy the video. On March 12, 2023, officers were dispatched to Houston, Texas, regarding a disturbance with a weapon. Upon arrival, officers located the complainants who reported that they had been playing basketball and had moved to the seating area near the baseball field to speak with their significant others over FaceTime. The complainants stated that the defendant approached them and began to use profanity towards them. The defendant then left the area and returned with a firearm which he fired into the ground near the complainants. The complainants reported that the defendant did not make any threats towards them, nor did he point the weapon in their direction. The complainants stated that they did not know the defendant and were in fear for their safety. Upon further inspection, a fired round and unfired round were discovered approximately 6 to 8 feet away from where the complainants were seated. Upon questioning, the defendant reported that he believed the complainants were talking about him and making fun of him. He admitted to retrieving his firearm and firing it into the ground, but he denied pointing the weapon at any of the complainants or threatening them. The defendant reported consuming approximately 4 to 5 beers prior to the incident. Officers recovered a small black handgun from the defendant's vehicle, where he had reported it to be in the center console.
Hands up, okay?
Hands up.
Almost?
Huh?
Almost?
I got my truck. I got my cigarette. My phone.
Pretty, are the 1 mil detained?
Huh? Oh, no more? What?
Nothing.
Hey.
Cigarettes, lighter?
Yeah.
It's a corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perché la persona del reporter che la pistola è una spara.
Can no go.
Which truck is it? Which truck?
White.
Che?
That one?
White.
Okay. Hey, keep an eye on Chin.
Okay. Go.
Okay, that one or that one?
No, that one.
That one? Okay.
Yeah.
Un momento. Okay. Get in.
Hey, give me the key for the truck.
Yeah, I will. We're not leaving yet.
Okay? Please.
Okay. Un momento.
So they're all practically saying they went play some basketball, came over here, sat down, minding their own business. They were all talking to their significant others on FaceTime. This guy comes up, they think he's intoxicated. You know, they're minding their own business. He's like, what the fuck? And they're like, hey, no problem here. You know, the best they can say in English. And he's just like, whatever. And then goes to his car, comes back from his car with a loaded gun and just shoots it right there next to them. No threats were said. They didn't start anything with him, you know.
They were still sitting on the bench when they fired the gun?
Sí, sí estaban ahí sentados cuando él disparó, ¿verdad?
Did
Okay.
he fire behind the fence or in front of them?
El señor lo disparó ahí enfrente de ustedes o hacia donde está la cerca.
No, nosotros estábamos sentados ahí adelantico
Sí.
y él estaba después de la cerca.
Enséñame cómo estaban sentados.
Nosotros estábamos sentados aquí hablando.
Así, más bien así, y luego él la disparó así hacia allá.
Disparó para aquí. Y el casquillo estaba ahí.
Okay, they were all sitting right here. He got right there in front of them and just shot it right there.
El casquillo lo oficial
Lo agarró?
Lo
Sí.
encontró.
Yeah, they're saying that you found it right there.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but saying like the case might have fallen past the fence. So,
Yeah.
like, they stand right here in front of them?
Yeah, right there where he's at, that's where he was standing at them. And they were sitting right here on the bench.
He was on this side of the fence?
No, he was right here, yeah, on
On
this
this
side.
side of the fence, right?
¿Estaba del otro lado o de ese lado? Oh, del otro lado. Oh, okay, sorry, from the other side of the
There's another one
fence.
right there.
Yeah.
Ahí parado.
Oh, yeah.
Míralo ahí, míralo ahí. Y nosotros estábamos sentados, ¿no?
Y nomás aquí están sentados,
Aquí estábamos sentados conversando.
conversando nomás así, no hicieron nada.
Y riéndonos entre nosotros, ¿ves? Aquí, y él se ofende pensando
Oh,
que no
creen
estábamos
que...
riendo de él. Para nada. Le decimos que no es con él, que le enseñamos y todo que era con el teléfono de nuestra señora. Y no entendió, no sé.
No entendió de él.
El que sabe hablar inglés español y no se lo dijo. Dijo, oye, yo le dije, dile a tu amigo que nosotros no nos estamos burlando de él. Porque empezó más de faca hablando inglés. Yo más o menos entiendo, pero no entiendo bien.
Algunas cosas.
Oh, diciéndoles maldiciones prácticamente a
faltando
ustedes.
respeto, porque yo sé que más de faca es, no sé, ¿entiendes?
Vete a la mierda.
Eso, ¿entiendes?
Yeah, sí.
Y le dije, Michael, le dije, take it easy, no problem. Relax, no sé qué, ya. No sé qué. Y él seguía diciendo cosas en inglés. Yo no entiendo inglés. Fue al carro.
Ask him if they saw like where he shot, like where exactly in the ground.
¿Miraron dónde exactamente disparó?
Ahí.
Él se paró aquí.
¿Pero dónde?
Aquí mismo. Él disparó para aquí porque el castillo se
Right around there.
Por ahí mismo.
Por ahí. No por acá.
No, aquí no.
No, yeah, on that side of the fence.
Well, I mean, there's all his footprints from all that white paint he's spraying.
Yeah, I can see the white
That could have been
Always
us.
that one
No, that
over.
could have been me because I
Within-
stepped on some earlier.
on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were just saying, they were minding their own business and everything. They assume he might have thought that he was laughing at them, or yeah.
No, it's a fool. It's fool. No, this is just maybe when he was racking it or something. Just
Eso no dijo que tenía permiso para usar. No tengo permiso.
No, yeah.
No tengo permiso para usar, no sé qué. Y después se empezó a reír. Después que tiró el tiro, se empezó a reír.
Well, yes, his birthday and his birthday, and then I need all of his information.
Practically everybody's. Yes. You speak English?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So since it's his first offense, if he told me this is accurate, the judge is more likely going to let him go with a bond. More likely. Okay? That's the best case scenario. Once he lets him out with a bond, y'all can go pick him up, do everything that y'all need to do. Just have his full name, full date of birth. That's the information that they usually need to use. Class A misdemeanor is what he's being charged for, deadly conduct. Okay?
Okay. So you know how long do we have to wait before we can put the bond in, or?
It's 7:00 now. From here towards downtown, it's going to take them a while, an hour, give or take. Exactly. So once they get over there, they have to get off, process him. It's like separate little spots that they have to go through.
Yeah.
Once they process him, put everything away, then he needs to wait like about 30 minutes or so, more than likely another hour for him to go up to the second floor, talk to the judge, and then from there give his statements and do what he needs to do.
So about 3-4 hours maybe?
Yeah.
Something around there?
3-4 hours, give or take, but more than likely that's what's gonna happen. So if y'all want to take down the address of where it's gonna be, more than likely.
Espérame.
Les saco foto del teléfono si quieres rápido.
That's where y'all can pick them
Voy
up.
a sacar foto a eso.
And y'all can even go there in person too and ask more about what the process is going. Okay?
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Perfect. Oh, the old man? No, he just wanted to make sure that he can take the car and everything. And he's like, yeah, I kind of assumed that, yes, y'all were going to take him. And I'm like, yeah, with him firing in a public park with people around and children, I'm like, of course.
And drinking.
They're not going to say no. I'm like, God forbid he would have hit some other kid around here. So they're good. They know where to pick him up. So.
Sorry, can you just ask these guys real quick if they saw him with a pistol?
Hello. Sí.
Oficial Áviles. Sí, la oficial ahí quiere saber si ustedes lo vieron ahí con una pistola.
Sí, él dice.
Okay, so he's saying they're working there, and they did see him with the gun, but he did not point it at nobody, but he did discharge it.
Okay. Where did he discharge it?
Hey, Jen.
Yeah.
Okay, I told him to take you where he saw that the guy discharged the.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, also. Sounds good. Bye. He's showing us where he discharged it. Yeah, and Vilas is on the way.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.